Ever wondered how machines understand and generate human-like text? Let's dive into the world of large language models, or LLMs, are advanced algorithms designed to understand, predict, and generate human language. Embedded deeply in artificial intelligence, they process vast amounts of text and learn to perform tasks without explicit instructions. From writing poems to coding, LLMs are transforming industries. Watch how a healthcare chatbot assists patients, or how a legal advisor AI parses complex law text, showcasing the practical magic of LLMs. Efficiency, scalability, and understanding. LLMs offer these benefits, enhancing productivity and bringing creative solutions to stubborn problems. Meet GPT-4, Llama 3, and Mistral 7B. Each a powerhouse in the realm of language models. GPT-4 excels in generating text that's indistinguishable from human writing. Llama 3 amazes with its efficiency and versatility across different languages and tasks. And Mistral 7B brings unique capabilities in understanding and summarizing complex documents. These models exemplify the vast potential and diversity of LLMs. Explore how LLMs are prompted to perform tasks from zero-shot, where no prior examples are given, to few-shot, which uses a handful of examples to guide the AI's responses. Fine-tuning allows LLMs to specialize, adapting to specific needs and industries, crucial for personalized applications. Beyond text, multimodal large language models like DALL-E and CLIP are revolutionizing AI by understanding and generating images alongside text. These models synthesize information across different formats, enhancing creativity and enabling applications like automatic graphic design and visual content analysis. The fusion of text and visuals opens up a world of possibilities, making AI more versatile and applicable in diverse fields. LLMs are not just a glimpse into the future of AI, they are the present. Join us next time as we decode more AI mysteries. Subscribe and hit the bell for more insights.